Okay, so another thing you do in your car to save yourself a ton of money is replace the air intake filter that is located under the hood. First thing you want to do, open up the driver door, pop the trunk. You'll hear a little clunk, and then you can walk over. You're going to put your fingers underneath until you find a little lever, press it, and it will lift it up. You can kind of see it here, how it works, so you kind of reference where it is. Hold it up, put up this metal rod that holds it in place, give it a little bit of a wiggle to make sure it's not going anywhere, and then we want to come over here and try to find where on our car our air intake filter would be. I know it's right here after doing a little bit of exploring. There's two clips here, you can kind of see them here and here. They pop right off, and then you can lift it. Now, you want to pay attention because on here there's two little feet that you're going to need to insert back into here to hold it in place. Take your filter, lift it up, take a look at it. It's got a little bit of dirt in it. But for the most part, this is a pretty clean filter. It's a pretty new car, but we don't need that anymore. We're going to take our brand new filter, brand new, clean and shiny, and we're going to place it into here. Give it a little bit of wiggle, make sure it fits perfectly in place, and then this is where it becomes important. Those two little arms, you want to make sure that they insert into the air intake filter. If you don't do that, you're not going to have a perfectly pressurized air seal, and you're going to have a leak of air, and then some not so good air will get into your engine. It's a bad story. All right, put those two little arms back on. Give it a little wiggle to make sure it's good, and that's it. You can save hundreds of dollars when they try to upcharge you on these types of services. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy one on Amazon.